Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. And I'm joined by my little Lego creation, which is a bat made out of only 20 Lego pieces. This is a little tiny guy that I built for Halloween. So let's get started because today you are going to get a chance to again pick some red apples and green apples as you try to make all the possible combinations of numbers that add up to 10. Today we're going to try and find every single pair. So let me explain to you your seesaw activity. Your seesaw activity will have a lot of pages that are going to look like this. In the middle, you will find that you have a 10 frame filled with some apples. Remember that our 10 frame has 10 little boxes. So right now in my box, I have some red apples and green apples. And I want to count how many I have of each. So Mr. Enzi did this one for you. You'll notice that I don't have any red apples in my 10 frame. So I wrote the number 0. And then I wanted to count my green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I wrote 10 in my green box. 0 plus 10 equals 10. So 0 and 10 are numbers that are friends. They add up to equal 10. Now take a look at my next page in my seesaw activity. This time I have a red apple. I have 1 red apple. And I wrote that, 1 red apple. Now I need to count my green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I wrote in my green box 9 green apples. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 and 9 are friends of 10. Let's take a look at the next one. Now in my next box, I do not have the numbers down here. You are going to have to count the numbers to complete the number model and to find the friends of 10. That's true for the next one. But then you're going to come to a page where you have to put in the number of apples. So you're going to have to put in 4 red apples. And the way to do that is to hit the little finger. And when you hit the little finger, you're going to be able to drag those apples in. If you want red ones or if you want green ones, you could drag them right into your 10 frame. So when you put in 4 red apples, how many green apples do you need to make 10? And then on your next page, you're going to do 5 red apples. And then on the next page, you're going to do 6 red apples. And then on the next page, it doesn't tell you what to do. But so far you've done 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, 4 red, 5 red, 6 red. What do you think you would do next? I'm not going to tell you. Now, when you have done all the different ways, the final page is going to ask you to write down those friends of 10. 0 and 10. 1 and 9. 2 and 3 and... Now you can go back and look at your different pages because you will have had all the different arrows on there. Once you fill out this table, the last thing you're going to do is use the microphone to record what you notice in the table. How do you know you found all of them? Do you see any patterns in the numbers? Is there anything special about it? So tap on that microphone and tell me what you see. Mathematicians like to look for patterns, something that repeats, something that is special. Oh, and one last thing, just in case you need some hints. The little caption button in the corner, if you go and hit the little caption button in the corner here, you'll hear some hints for each page. So don't forget to tap on that every time you click on or tap on a new page. All right, first grade, it's your turn to pick some apples. This time you're going to try and find every possible way to pick the red and the green so that you make 10. I can't wait to see who will be able to meet this challenge. Have a great day. We'll see everybody soon.